Good morning, children. Now I am going to teach you social subject class 4th CBSE. Okay, in the last class I have taught you the lesson number 11, mineral, M-I-N-E-R-A-L, mineral resources. Okay, there are two types of minerals are there. One is metallic, the other one is non-metallic. Okay, in the last class we have already I have taught about you metallic minerals. Okay, minerals I am going to repeat one more time, children. Minerals are substances that are found naturally in the earth. They are found in the underground earth and also surface of the earth. In ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ minerals ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Example: iron, coal, silver, gold, petroleum. Okay, they are obtained by mining and drilling. We will get these minerals by the mining and drilling. Mining ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಚಿನ್ನನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ, ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. The extraction of minerals and metals from earth is called mining. What is mining, children? The extraction of minerals and metals from the earth is called mining. Minerals can be broadly divided into two parts, two categories. First one is metallic and the second one is non-metallic. Metallic and non-metallic. There are two types of minerals are there, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals, who is that? Okay, a solid metal which is shiny, hard, visible and ductile is called metallic mineral. What is metallic mineral, children? A solid metal, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, a solid metal which is shiny, shiny ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು hard ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು fusible ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Fusible means capable of being fused or melted by heating. Heat ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is. Okay, these metals are called metallic metals. Example: gold, silver, aluminium, 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 copper, 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 iron, etc. Okay, these are the metallic minerals. These are solid, soft and fusible minerals. Understood, children? First we are going to learn about iron. Okay, iron is an important mineral. Iron is found in molten state. Molten state means liquid form. ನೀರಾಗಿ ಇರೋದು. Okay, liquid form it is iron is get in molten state. Okay, liquid form. Iron is hard and brittle. Brittle means easy to broke anta. Iron is hard, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ. Iron means ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ. It is hard and brittle. It becomes rusty when it comes into contact with the wood. ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ತುಕ್ಕಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ರಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, it is used to manufacture steel. Why the iron is used? To manufacture the steel. Steel ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ iron. It is also used to build houses. ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ iron is very very important. Okay, iron rods ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. And to make utensils, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Iron utensils and also build the the iron. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಐರನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಐರನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಹಾರ್, ಜಾರ್ಖಂಡ್, ಒಡಿಶಾ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ and Goa. Where we get the iron in India? Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Karnataka and Goa. Okay, iron and steel plants located in Jamshedpur. Okay, iron and steel plants. Iron plant ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. Iron and steel plant. ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಮರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು? ಜಮ್ಶೆಡ್ಪುರ್ and Bakro in Jharkhand, Bhilai, Madhya Pradesh and Durgapur in West Bengal. In these places, iron and steel plants are there. Where children? Elli innonsali heltini keliskodi. I will repeat one more time. Iron and steel plants are located in Jamshedpur, Bakro in Jharkhand, Bhilai in Madhya Pradesh and Durgapur in West Bengal. Okay, in these places iron and steel plants are there. Next is copper. Copper is useful and flexible metal. Copper ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? This is very useful and flexible means it bend ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, it is very easy to bend. Copper is very easy to ತಾಮ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is. It is the best conductor of electricity. Copper wires are used in electricity. Okay, electrical wires are used by copper. Okay, it is also used to make utensils. ತಾಮ್ರದ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೂಜೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, will use in puja. Copper utensils. Copper is found in Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Where the copper found children? In Jharkhand and Rajasthan. Okay, next is aluminium. Aluminium is durable, light, flexible and strong metal. Okay, aluminium ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಊಟದ ತಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಟ್ಟೆ, that is. Okay, aluminium is very durable, light, ಹಗುರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It is not heavy. Okay, and flexible, also very easy to bend it. And strong metal. It is used to manufacturing cans. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಯುಟೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಿಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. And other domestic appliances. It is also used to make aeroplanes. Aluminium is used to make the aeroplanes and artificial satellites. Okay, aluminium is found in Chhattisgarh. Aluminium ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Chhattisgarh and Odisha and Tamil Nadu. Okay, children, got it? What are the metallic material? Metallic minerals: gold, silver, aluminium, copper, iron, etc. Okay, now is non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals. These are materials that do not have characteristic of metal. They are not shiny. Okay, metallic minerals are shiny children. They are very shiny. Okay, gold is very shiny. Now silver also, aluminium also. ತಾಮ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So non-metallic minerals are not shiny. Okay, ಇದು shiny ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And also hard. ಶೈನಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್. FUSIBLE. ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್. Fusible means capable of being fused or melted by heating. ಇದು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಶೈನ್, soft and they are fusible, but non-metallic minerals are not shine, not hard, not fusible. Fusible means heated, melted by heating. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಕರಗೋದು. Okay, melt means ಕರಗೋದು. Okay children, these metallic Minerals are shiny, hard and physical, but non-metallic minerals are not shiny, not hard and not physical. Got it, children? Example: coal, 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 ಇದ್ದಿಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸಲ್ಫರ್, SULPHUR. Okay, these are not shiny. coal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲು ಶೈನಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? No. They are very soft and dull in appearance. Soft ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ but ನೋಡಿದಾಗ dull ಇರುತ್ತೆ, not shiny. Okay, they break down into very fine thin powder and beaten with the hammer. Hammer ತಗೊಂಡು ಸುತ್ತಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೆರಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಪೌಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಲ್ ಪೌಡರ್ನ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಉಜ್ಜೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಟು ಬ್ರಷ್ ದ ಟೀತ್ ಕೋಲನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಕೋಲ್ ಪೌಡರ್, ಇದ್ದಿನ ಪೌಡರ್ನ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಉಜ್ಜೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. When we beaten with the hammer, these will go into the fine powder. ಇದನ್ನ ಕುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೌಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay children, coal is the main source of energy in India as the fulfills almost 67% of the total commercial energy consumed in the country. Coal is main source energy, okay, now in India, and also it is called as black gold, BLACK, black GOLD, gold. ಇದನ್ನ black gold ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, coal is known as black gold. Most of the coal we use now was found about 300 million years ago and from the remains of living organisms. Therefore, it is called fossil fuel. Coal is found in Jharkhand. Where we get the coal, children? In Jharkhand, JHARKHAND, Jharkhand. Madhya Pradesh, MADHYA, Madhya Pradesh. Telangana, TELANGA, Telangana. Chhattisgarh, 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 and West Bengal. Okay children, got it? Coal is found in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal. Got it children? Next is crude oil or petroleum. Okay children, metallic and non-metallic. I hope to understand children now. Next is metallic. Non-metallic is one more that is petroleum. Crude oil and petroleum. Crude oil or petroleum. Okay. Crude oil, CRUD, crude oil or petroleum. Do you know the petrol children? Petroleum. Why we use the petrol? For vehicles now? Yes. The word petroleum has been derived from two Latin words. How the petroleum words came? By the Latin word. Petroleum word came by the Latin word. Okay. Petroleum word came by the Latin word. Latin ಭಾಷೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay, Latin word, that is Latin words, two words in the same one ಆಗಿರೋದು. Petroleum, Petra, 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 and ONEUM. Petroleum word is came by two Latin words what children? R-O-C-K, rock. Oleum means oil. Okay, oleum means oil. Thus, petroleum oil is obtained from the rocks. Rocks in the kallugalu. Okay. Therefore, it is also called mineral oil. Okay. Petroleum oil also called as mineral oil. Petroleum oil is also called as mineral oil. Got it? Next is petroleum is found in sedimentary basins, shallow areas and the seas. Where we get the petroleum? In the sea. ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ petroleum ಸಮುದ್ರಗಳಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. And also we get the petroleum in the deep wells. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಬಾವಿ. Deep wells and also oil wells are dug to pump out petroleum. ಅದನ್ನ ಡಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ತೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಡಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗಿಯೋದು. ಅದು ಕೂಡ petroleum ನ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. Okay. In India it is found in Assam. Petrol where we get children? In Assam. India ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ petrol? Assam ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Next Gujarat, G-U-J-A-R-A-T, Gujarat, Assam, Gujarat. Under the sea in Bombay, under the sea in Bombay, under the sea in Bombay, I near Mumbai. Okay, it has been identified in Rajasthan and Krishna Godavari basin in Bay of Bengal. Okay, children, we get the petrol in India, Assam, Gujarat, under the sea in Bombay. Got it, children? Next is conservation of our mineral wealth. How to conserve, how to save. Conserve means save. How to conserve our mineral wealth. ನಮ್ಮ ಖನಿಜ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. How to conserve mineral wealth. Conserve means save. How to save our conservation of mineral wealth. Okay. Some of the natural resources cannot be replenished, regrown or regenerated. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Some of the minerals are not get repeated, not generated. Okay, immediately. They are called exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources means E-X-H-A-U-S-T-I-B-L-E. Exhaustible resources. R-E-S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Exhaustible resources means a natural resource which is once used is gone forever. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? exhaustible resource ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will gone forever. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. These are called exhaustible resources. Example, mineral oil, petroleum. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ. Mineral oil, petroleum is also called as mineral oil. No, so petroleum will not come repeat. Once we use, it will burn forever. Okay, next is coal. Iddilu. Okay, once I know powder ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ coal? No. Okay, and inexhaustible resource never runs out or gets depleted. Example, water, wind and solar energy. Water ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಾವು ಪಡಿಬಹುದು. Inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means the minerals will come repeat ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So resources, mineral resources are very important, children. So we have to conserve it. Now we have to save these mineral resources. Got it, children? Thank you. Next, we are now I am Page number 88. Page number 88. A1 is fill in the blanks. FIL fill, IN in, TH either, BLA, LKS blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, the TH either, EX, TRA, CT and OM. Extraction of 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 MI, LE, RA, LS. Minerals and 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 metals, ME, TA, LS. Metals from FR, OM from EA, R, TH earth is called CA, LLED called dash. Okay children, the extraction of minerals and metals from the earth is called mining. MI-NI-NG mining. The second one, minerals from MINERALS. Minerals FROM from which metals? WHI, CH, which, ME, TA, LS. Metals are obtained, ARER, OB, TAI, NAD. Obtained are called ARER, CA, LLAD called ores. ORES, ores. Third one, dash is a fossil fuel. FOSSIL, fossil, FUEL, fuel, formed from FORMED, formed FROM from DEAD, dead plants, PLA, LTS plants. Dash is fossil means old. Okay, fossil fuel formed from the dead plants. Answer is coal. ತುಂಬಾ ಹಳೆಯದಾದಂತ ಇದು ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್. Fourth one, petroleum is derived, PETROLEUM, petroleum, LEUM. Petroleum is derived, DERIVED, derived from FROM, from TWO2, LATIN, Latin words. Petra, 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 and oleum, OLEUM, oleum. Petroleum word is came by the two Latin words. Those are Petra and oleum. Fifth one, dash is known as KNOWN, known as a wonderful, WONDER, wonder, fuel, wonderful metal, which is called as wonderful metal, titanium, TITANEUM, titanium. Okay children, now I am going to repeat this. The extraction of minerals and metals from earth is called mining. MINING, mining. Second one, minerals from which metals are obtained are called ores. ORES, ores. Third one, coal is the fossil fuel formed from the dead plants. COAL, coal. Petroleum is derived from two Latin oleum, oleum. Titanium is known as a wonderful metal. Got it, children? Titanium is known as a wonderful metal. Next is in page number 88. Next is match the following. B main is match the following. MATCH match. This is page number 88. Match the following. First one, CO, PP, ER, copper, CO, AL, coal, GO, LD, gold, PE, TRO, LE, UM, petroleum. Fifth one, IR, ON, iron, ORE, ore, BO, MB, AY, Bombay, Karnataka, KARNA, TA, KA, Karnataka, West Bengal, WEST, West, BENGAL, Bengal, GOA, Goa, Rajasthan, RAJ, ASHTAN, Rajasthan. Okay, children, first one, copper is found in Rajasthan. First one, copper is found in Rajasthan. The second one, coal is found in West Bengal. The coal is found in West Bengal. Next, number 3 is gold, found in Goa. Fourth one, petroleum. Okay, petroleum. Children, coal, you can write 3, Karnataka. Okay. Got it? Next, fourth one, petroleum is found in Bombay High. HIGHI, Bombay High. Iron is found in Goa. Okay, got it, children? Copper, Rajasthan, coal, West Bengal, gold, Karnataka, petroleum. Fourth one, Bombay High, iron ore, Goa. Got it, children? Next one is C is answer the following. You can write in the classwork. Next, D main is multiple choice questions. D main is multiple choice questions. MULTIPL, multiple choice questions. QUESTIONS questions. The first one, name the NAME, name PH with the non-metallic NON-METAL metal which is the non-metallic mineral. COAL, coal. B is copper. COPPER, copper. C is silver. SILVER, silver. Which one, children? Coal. Coal is non-metallic mineral. COAL, coal. Answer is A option. Second one, which metal? WHI, CHHME, TAL, metal is used. IS is USED, used to build. BU, ILD, build aeroplanes. AERO, PLAMES. Which metal is used to build the aeroplanes? A is copper. B is aluminium. ALLU, MINIUM, aluminium. C is gold. GOLD, gold. Which metal, children? To build the aeroplanes? B option is correct. Aluminium. Okay. Third one, which of this WHI CHOF of PH is this? Which of this obtained from petroleum? Obtained, OBTAINED, obtained from petroleum. PETROLEUM. Options: kerosene, KEROSENE, kerosene. B option COAN, coal. C option IRON, iron. Correct answer is kerosene. Kerosene is obtained from petroleum. Okay, fourth one, which of, children, this is page number 89. Okay, this is page number 89. Which of these these minerals, minerals, minerals are found, found in Bombay High. BOMBAY, Bombay, HIGH, high. Okay, children. Which one is we found in Bombay? A option is gold. B option is silver. And the C option is petroleum. PETROLEUM. C answer is correct. Noted, children, you can pick the C option, petroleum. Okay, I am going to repeat this one more time. Name the non-metal. Which one? Coal, copper, silver. Answer is coal. Which metal is used to build aeroplanes? Copper, aluminium, gold. Aluminium is the correct answer. You can pick the B option. Third one, which of this obtained from petroleum? Kerosene, coal, iron. Kerosene is the correct answer. Pick A option. Fourth one, which of these minerals are found in Bombay High? Which of these? Gold, silver, petroleum. Petroleum is the correct answer. Okay, children. Now you complete your page number 88 and 89 page in your text. You can copy from this video, children. Okay, and also read this lesson. Okay, you can read and understood once again this lesson. Got it, children? Thank you. Bye.